In this video, I'll show you a simple framework to increase your visibility and conversion rate for your Amazon listing using a Rufus conversion map. In a minute, you'll see what is Rufus and why it matters, how to build the Rufus conversion map, how to create your product images, and how to build your title and bullet points information. I'm Roz. I sell over 400,000 per year in the UK for my own brand, and my Amazon agency is managing over 60 brands worldwide. This exact strategy helped us rank our products and improve the organic rankings for our clients too, and also for hundreds of people from my school community. This will 100% work no matter what category you're in, fashion, beauty, wellness, you name it. The old way of building a listing is basically guesswork. You pick a main image, you think that looks good, copy image ideas and bullet points from competitors, you stuff a bunch of keywords into the title and then hope Amazon will rank you on the first page. But Amazon doesn't really work like that anymore. Your listing is being read by an algorithm, and now Rufus is helping shoppers to discover your products based on what they bought before and what your listing is clearly communicating. If your listing isn't structured like that, it will not be displayed in the suggestions section. For example, if I'm shopping for a water bottle and I ask Rufus to pick one for me, I can say, show me the one that people like the most, the best value for money, and maybe a brew option for the gym. We can see Rufus already recommended a product based on the requirements. This matters because shopping behavior is changing fast. Over the next few years, AI will influence more buying decisions, and in many cases, it will make a short list for the customers and maybe even shipping the products directly to your doorstep. Well, here's the new way: the Rufus conversion map. We map how Rufus understands your product, then we build the listing to match the conversion map. That's how you increase your chances of showing up in Rufus recommendations and searches. But first, what is Rufus? Well, Rufus is Amazon's AI shopping assistant. It helps shoppers find the right products faster by using two things: the customer's purchase history and also the information from your listing. As a seller, the goal is very simple. One, shop in Rufus suggestions to drive more organic visibility, and two, increase your conversion rate by structuring your listing so Rufus can answer the most common customer questions. All right, let me walk you through how to build a Rufus conversion map step by step on my screen. First, I'm going into Seluna.ai and I'm starting a free trial. I'm signing up with the email I want to use for this workspace. Now I'm going to create a new workspace. Next, I'm pasting the link of the Amazon listing that I want to build the Amazon Rufus conversion map for. After that, I'm setting up the brand details. I'm adding the brand name and also I'm uploading the logo. Now I'm confirming the brand palette. And this is a very important part because Seluna will use these colors when it generates your product images. So your creatives will stay on brown. After that, click continue to generate. Then I'm selecting Amazon product images as the output I want to be generated. And finally, to activate the free trial, I'm going to add the payment details. So everything is unlocked and we can generate the map and the images. Awesome. Once the free trial is activated, I'm going to click on the knowledge button. This is where the Seluna pulls the key listing information for your product, things like keywords, audience, frequently asked questions, compliance, and more. What we care about most right now is the Rufus conversion map, which you'll find inside the import to section. Inside the map, you'll see a few core parts. Customer intent map. This is the why people buy map. It helps Rufus understand what the product is and what shoppers are looking for. Title blueprint, a simple template and an example showing what your title should include and the right order. A bullet points map. It's a structure for your bullet points so your customers really understand the product fast in a logical flow. A content map, what to include in your A+ content to maximize conversion, what to say and the ways to prove it. Also an image stack map. This is exactly what each image should communicate, image by image. We have a Q&A strategy. These are the questions you should answer to remove doubts and help Rufus display your products more often. We also have the listing attributes and the backend keywords. This will help you get more organic support for your listing. This Rufus conversion map is the foundation of the listing optimization that we're about to do. We use it to build a listing that converts better and is increasing the chances of showing up in the Rufus suggestions. Now, let's review the images that Seruna created for us. I'm going to click Generation List, and from here I can open the set of generated images. You'll notice they follow the map that we just looked at, and each image is built to communicate a specific piece of information. From here, I can quickly review them and we can download the ones that we would like to upload for our listing. One thing to call out, you might not see a proper main image here. That's normal because we generate the main image using a different workflow. Now, if I want to change anything, I just click edit image and we can type the request. For example, remove the icons from the middle and add a smiling person making eye contact while holding the bottle. We can see now it generates the image based on the instructions. It will take 30-40 seconds for it to regenerate. If you still want to polish the new image, you can repeat the process and you can do the same for the text, for the colors, layout, or anything else, just by describing what you want to be changed. You can also upload a reference image if you need something specific added to or matched, like a logo, a specific product accessory, or a certain type of human model. When you're ready to create more assets like Premium Plus content or content for other e-commerce platforms, you can go to Products and click Generate again. Next, I'll show you how to build your title and bullet points using the Rufus conversion map. I created a ChatGPT prompt that takes the map info plus a keyword list and it generates your title, bullet points, and backend keywords. You can access it for free inside my school community along with all the other free tools that I've shared so far. We can take the listing information by going into import to and copying these sections: product snapshot, customer intent map, title blueprint, bullet points map. Then I paste all of them into ChatGPT together with my prompt. Now, for best results, I recommend attaching a CSV keyword list filtered from tools like DataDive, Helium 10, or pull directly from your search term report or maybe brand analytics. If you don't attach the keywords, the prompt will generate its own keywords based on what it thinks is the most relevant. In this example, I'm not going to attach the keywords so you can see the output without them. Now you see it generates the title, the bullet points, the backend keywords, and everything is written to fit the Amazon structure and character limits. I always recommend A/B testing a shorter version of title with longer versions to see which one works best for the listing. Also, to quality check to ensure it reads properly. The output format is in a table, so you can paste it in a flat file in case you want to create multiple listings. Here's the difference before and after we use Rufus conversion map. Before, the listing wasn't really clear. The images, the title, and the bullet points didn't really work together, so both the customers and Rufus had to guess what the product is best for. After, the images match what customers are looking for, so more people buy. And because the title and the bullet points follow the same map, Rufus understands the product better and is more likely to show it in suggestions. When your images, title, and bullet points tell the same clear story, you get two wins: higher conversions and more chances to show up in Rufus. If you apply this strategy across all your products, you stop relying on random updates and start building the listings in the same way every time. That means your whole catalog becomes clear, converts better, and has a higher chance to show up in the Rufus suggestions. Over time, that's how you grow organic sales without constantly increasing the ad spend. If this was helpful and you want to try this strategy yourself, join my school community. Inside, you can click the tools and SOP and you'll get my title and bullet points prompt for free, plus a 30% discount on your first month with Seruna. The discount code is also shared in the community. You'll also find the Rank Boost Pro, our full ranking system that you can implement for free. You can join the school community using the link in the description. And if you want more videos like this, leave a comment and subscribe. That's it from me. See you in the next one.